had a small parcel. Only quite easy to open if you know where. Alright. That wasn't right, right? But yeah, that's it now. Block of paper. And what's in here? Zoom in. Sellotape, evidently. Like always. Lots of it. And then a black Dock Authority, even with a driver inside. And I wish I could share the smell with you. It smells lovely. It smells like a true Dock Authority. Well, the question is it also working or not? Therefore, controller, check. Let's see. So it's something moving, but not as much as I'd like it to move. Maybe a screwdriver. Maybe this one needs to go. It's this machine. Let's have another go. Well, everything seems to be present, but overall it's more a restore project than a good runner as it was sold. Obviously this goes this way around. Now that I've got this box, I can just take it and what was the other ones?